Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Hunky Dory Crafts, I have stunning snow globes concept card kit. This makes 12 complete cards. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the little 3D snow globes, so cute. On the back, a little place to write. And you guys, these just fold down like this. They come with envelopes, so you can mail them quite easily. This is going to be our giveaway snow globe, but I have some really interesting versions of this that Debbie made. I can't wait to show you. So come play with us. All right, let's take a look at all the different patterns. Then I'm going to show you what Debbie made, and then I'm going to show you how to put these together. All right, so here, so cute. This is enough for one style of snow globe, and this is one for the other, okay? Maybe we could zoom out a little bit. Here's the little house, and here's the cute little bird. And you get two of each of those. And then we have some village scenes that are just adorable. Village, village, little Christmas tree, so cute. This one is the little snowman, and then the polar bear one that I showed you in the opening. This makes one card, this makes another one. And you're getting two of those. Then you're getting these little snowfall acetate sheets. They're already die cut, as you can see. They just pop right out. This is the actual structure of the snow globe, so you get two each of all of those. They come in a big stack. And then they have this nice little area on the back, handmade with love, and then just with the cute little character that matches the front, and you can write on this, or you can cover it with the extra little piece that's left over from your punching out, which I'll show you. Then you get all the little envelopes, and then you guys, there's step-by-step instructions. So everything you need, right? So let's take a look. Now, this was the one I showed you in the opening that is our giveaway. So how we work our giveaway is we like to promote our Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So if you're watching us on our Paper Wish webisode page, if you expand the screen, you should see a little YouTube icon, and you can click on that. It'll take you to our YouTube channel, or you can just go to YouTube and search Paper Wishes. We ask that you like this video with a thumbs up and then leave us a comment. And after about a week, we'll reply to one viewer with congratulations, YouTube username blank. We're using somebody's very specific YouTube username. Only one person has that username. And then it's a good idea to hit the notification bell so you know when we're trying to contact you. And then we give you instructions on how to claim your card. We do this every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday videos. You get 3 chances a week to win, but you do have to participate in each day separately. All right, so yeah, somebody will get this cute little card and we'll send it to them. Let's look at some other ideas that Debbie had. Let's look at this one, you guys. This is a center step card. It's so cool. She actually took the pre-die cut, pre-folded center step card. Comes in a pack of 5 with 5 envelopes. And she went ahead and she covered that with some gorgeous Christmas paper. This is from Christmas Floral Plaids, 12 by 12 pattern cardstock. And she covered it according to the instructions on the packaging of the center step card. And she did a little inking using her little applicator tool and a little earth red ink just around the edges of that paper. And then you guys, she went ahead and she assembled the card, but she just sort of compacted everything and then added layers of foam tape. So it's made in the same way, it's just that she cut the bottom piece to separate it like this, okay? So this little piece right here, she just cut that away so it's not sticking out. Then she just compressed everything and then put a little piece of foam tape right around the edge there. And then just so cute how she did that. Now, all of these come with this little extra bit of a circle. It's a little frame. Let me show you on one of these that Debbie went ahead and just used it in another way, which I think is so cute. Oh, I'll have to show you on the one when I dig through it. It's the one that comes out from the center here. She just cut it in half and she put it on these little side parts of the center step card. Isn't that cute? And then on the inside, she just took some more of that Christmas paper, this little centerpiece, and then added a little greeting as well. We think that is awesome. Also, just a little bit of burgundy ribbon at the corner. All right, now here's a really neat one. She did the same thing on the 6x6 card, okay, where she just used foam tape in between. And then for the foam tape, we have our giant wheel of foam tape. It's 150 feet or 50 yards of foam tape, about 20 bucks. It's a great way to use this. But also we have little foam tape squares like this. And there's 400 of these little tiny mini ones of the double-sided adhesive foam squares. And then this one has 100 of them because they're a little bit bigger. And I'll link both of those down below the video as well if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page. If you're watching us over on YouTube, just look below the video in the description box and there's a link that'll take you to this webisode page. So she took some of the solid cardstock from that same Christmas plaid, you guys, really great. But then she took the 6x6 version, which I think I went ahead and put away in my box of goodies here. Let me grab it. Here it is. So she took the 6x6 version and used the plaid paper like this, and then she scored it 3 inches all the way across to make an easel card. Look at that. And then all around the edges, some red jewel border dazzle stickers. Very, very cute. But when you pop that up, you guys, look at that. And then you just put it right there. There's a little cutout here that has some foam tape on it as well. So that dimension keeps that in place. What a cute idea, Debbie. That is adorable. So just some other things that you can do with these cards, which I think is fantastic. All right, so let's do one together. All right, I got to get all my little pieces here. I found that these were just really fun to put together. All right, so I've got my little bow there. Got to clear off a space. So I've gone ahead and I've evacuated all my little pieces, and I'm going to show you actually. Let me dig around here and find the ones that I used. Here we go. Okay, now. These just come apart so easily, but they come like this. And then there's already, let's zoom out a little bit. These are already die cut beautifully, thank you. These are die cut really nicely. So these just literally just fall out of these like this. And then you've got the little topper sheets. Here's mine. Okay, I'm using this one right here. So it has the little scene, and then it has all of these little pieces that you die cut. It has the lamp post, which I took some little foam tape pieces and I put right here. And then I've also got this little piece right here. Here is the little mailbox. I just love a UK mailbox. They're so much nicer than our mailboxes. This beautiful red tower just always appeals to me. All right, so there we go. That's the dimension on this first layer. Then this one, I've already foam taped all the pieces here. Here's the little Christmas tree. This is the base part right here. And you've got all of these little pieces and all the little presents. And I went ahead and put those together just like this. And then this is just gonna go like this on our little piece. So this is the piece that we evacuated. And then you'll notice, here we go. This little piece right here, it has an extra little frame that I was talking about. This piece right here, that's the one that Debbie ended up using on her center step card. So this one isn't one that you would typically use, and she just used it here, which I think is so great. All right, so once you have this piece like this, you're just going to use your bone folder and you're going to just do a little bit of folding. So the center part right here, there's 3 folds. The center one goes down, that's a valley fold. And then the other 2 just get folded kind of like that. You just do it like a V shape, okay? And then you're just gonna put these pieces like this, and that's how you fold it. So it goes like that to that, right? And then on this little piece, this is now a mountain, we're gonna actually attach these pieces, okay? And I've put a little bit of tape on mine. You could use glue. They recommend use tape. This is extra sticky tape, and this one is a kind of a tear paper tape. It's a little easier, I think, to use. So the first one, we're going to go ahead and I put tape on this bottom folded edge. And then you're just going to take it and place it right there. Okay, just like that. And then this piece right here, we're going to do the same thing. Come on. There we go. All right, and this one we're going to place right here in the front. Okay, so that's how they're going to look. Just as easy as can be. And then for right here, the inside of this little snow globe, I just took some paper tape and I just put little pieces of it. You could put more around it, but you really don't need to have a lot of it. It's just kind of a time consuming. And you're going to take your little die cut piece of your snowfall acetate, and you're just going to make sure it connects with that window right there. And then if you'd like, you can put, no, you can't put that there. What was I thinking? You can take this and you can put it on the back, so you still have a place to write. Okay, you can absolutely do that. Or you could take this piece and put it there, so it's just a little more decoration. I'm going to leave it blank. All right, so this is how we have it now, and we're going to take right up here, this little tab, it gets folded down. And I've put another little piece of tape there. And then we're going to take the front of this, and we're going to just attach it right there. Okay, and then you get this great little 3D snow globe that's so cute. I'm going to take this little piece, it's a little greeting that every one of these little scene has. I'm going to put mine right here. And then I've just got a little bit of gingham ribbon from our gingham ribbon collection. And I'm just going to take that, and I can add that here, or you can put it right up here as well. So there you go. Very, very simple to put together. As you can see, lots of options for what to do with these. Debbie just hit it out of the park on these, you guys. So fun. There we go. So there is a fantastic money saver on these. Great kit, really fun to put together. The money saver is right there. If you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page, it's on the right-hand side. All the other items are listed down below the video. There's also full color pictures of these projects. If you're watching us over on YouTube, hello, please subscribe. It helps our small company. And look below the video in the description box, and you'll see a link that'll take you to this Paper Wishes webisode page. Let's see. Did I remember everything else? I think I did. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.